Best beginner motorcycle: Honda Rebel 500. Choosing the perfect motorcycle as a beginner is a significant step in your journey as a rider. Among the plethora of options available, the Honda Rebel 500 consistently stands out as one of the best choices for novice riders. In this comprehensive article, we will explore the reasons why the Honda Rebel 500 is acclaimed as a top pick for beginners. We will delve into its features, performance, safety attributes, and the thrilling riding experience it offers. Honda's legendary legacy. Honda, a revered Japanese motorcycle manufacturer, boasts an illustrious history of producing exceptional motorcycles. With decades of engineering expertise and innovation, Honda has firmly established itself as a trailblazer in the industry. Birth of the Honda Rebel 500. The Honda Rebel 500 was introduced in 2017 as part of Honda's Rebel series, catering to new riders seeking a stylish and approachable cruiser. It was meticulously designed to offer an optimal blend of power, control, and user-friendliness. The perfect engine for novices. At the heart of the Rebel 500 is a 471cc parallel twin engine that delivers a manageable 45 horsepower. This power output strikes an impeccable balance, allowing beginners to build confidence while still providing enough oomph for exhilarating rides. Lightweight and agile. Weighing approximately 408 pounds, 185 kilograms, fully fueled, the Rebel 500 is incredibly light and nimble. Its compact dimensions make it easy to handle, whether you're navigating city streets or embarking on scenic journeys. Smooth and predictable power delivery. The Rebel 500's engine offers a smooth and predictable power delivery, which is vital for novice riders. The parallel twin configuration ensures accessible low-end torque, making low-speed maneuvers and highway cruising effortless. Safety features. Many Rebel 500 models come equipped with advanced safety features, including ABS, anti-lock braking system. These enhancements bolster braking performance and control, especially in challenging road conditions. Classic cruiser aesthetics with modern touches. The Rebel 500 harmoniously combines classic cruiser aesthetics with modern elements. Its laid-back riding position and comfortable saddle provide a relaxed feel, while its minimalist styling exudes timeless charm. Iconic Rebel design. The Rebel 500 features the iconic Rebel design, with a bobber-inspired look, teardrop tank, and blacked-out components. Its design encapsulates the spirit of freedom and rebellion that cruiser enthusiasts hold dear. Versatile for everyday riding. The Rebel 500 isn't just about cruising, it's also an excellent choice for daily commuting and long-distance rides. Its accommodating seat, rider-friendly ergonomics, and commendable fuel efficiency make it a dependable partner for various riding scenarios. A cruiser for all skill levels. While tailored for beginners, the Rebel 500 can deliver an exciting experience for more seasoned riders. Its lightweight frame and responsive handling make it a joy to ride on different types of roads. Resale value. Honda motorcycles, including the Rebel 500, tend to retain their value well over time. This means that when you decide to upgrade or change your motorcycle, you can expect a respectable return on your investment. Conclusion. The Honda Rebel 500 is not just a beginner motorcycle, it's a gateway to the enchanting world of cruiser riding. Its blend of manageable power, lightweight agility, advanced safety features, and classic aesthetics makes it an exceptional choice for riders setting out on their motorcycling journey. Whether you're a newcomer to riding or an experienced enthusiast, the Rebel 500 offers a unique and gratifying experience. Honda's commitment to excellence, innovation, and rider satisfaction shines brightly in the Rebel 500, positioning it as a standout option in the realm of motorcycles. Riding the Rebel 500 isn't just about transportation, it's an invitation to embrace the open road with style and comfort. With this versatile and inviting machine, Honda has created a gem that resonates with riders of all backgrounds and preferences.